In this video, I'm going to show you how to schedule an appointment on your diaries on GoHighLevel, on your online diaries. On the left-hand side, you need to click on calendars. In the top, if you have more than one branch, you've got to choose which calendar you want to schedule this appointment in, right? And then you go to the slot. So say, for example, you want to schedule this for 9 a.m. on the 18th. You go to that area where the time slot is and you click on it once, and this box will open up. So if this is a new client that is not in the database on GoHighLevel, you can enter the name here, and then you're going to have to enter the email address, and you're going to enter the phone number, whatever that phone number is, and you don't have to enter the patient's date of birth. You just want the email and phone number, etc. The time is already set. All of this you leave it as is. If you want the status to show as busy, you leave it as busy. And so that's a default setting. But if you have to schedule something in, but you still want someone to be able to book in that slot, then you can change this to free. But most of the time, that would be busy. And this is an important step. The appointment status, you have to choose a status here. So you click on this drop down box, and if someone's making this appointment, it's confirmed. So you're going to put it as confirmed. All right. And then you can click on save. That's if this is a new contact. If it isn't a new contact, say for example, the person is in the database, you can type in a part of that person's name and that person will populate. So you choose that person there, like this Kanya Pillay now, and all the rest of these dates will automatically populate. Make sure the appointment status is confirmed. If there's some notes to write here, you can write the notes on here, and then you can click on save. It'll say, are you sure you want to confirm this appointment? And you click OK. Once this is done, you'll see this appointment is in the diary. And if you go into opportunities on the left-hand side to see your pipeline, you must once again choose the correct practice. And you'll see that Kanya Pillay is now under booking confirmed because you chose that status as confirmed. If you don't choose the action appointment status as confirmed, this person will not appear in this pipeline and they will not get all the emails to remind them to come for their eye test, etc. So the automated emails will not work if they are not in the pipeline. So make sure that after you schedule an appointment, that it comes into the pipeline, that contact is in the pipeline.